Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. So if you want to turn on professional mode on Facebook just to monetize your content or to get paid with your content, here is a quick guide on how to do that in 2025. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Facebook, then tap on the profile icon at the top, then tap on this three dot icon beside your edit profile. Tap on this, then you're going to see an option where you turn on a professional mode on your phone. Then right here you turn it on, then you undergo some certain questions, which is then tap on next, tap on next, tap on next. Then right here you can also choose your default audience, so you can choose your audience. You can set friends of friends. You can also set public suggested. Tap on it, then tap on next. Then also you can go through the whole process. After that you can confirm that, then your Facebook has been automatically switched to Facebook professional mode with some basic monetization tools, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.